The UI has a really unique style within Pipedrive. When I first started using this, I felt it had almost a metallic kind of feel to it with the types of greys and the dark colors. There was almost a reflective chrome sheen on the UI. I thought that was really cool, and it definitely makes it a unique experience using the product. With Kanbans being one of the defining elements within the software, I think the way that they designed it was just really cool. So obviously you've got this kind of process, and the arrows just demonstrate the workflow through the Kanban board. It's really neat how the UI appears when you need it. And that's just a really nice feature within Pipedrive. So you get a lot of data and information you can start adding to your deals, but you only see that once you interact. The deals themselves, they interact really nicely across the screen. The animation effect is really neat, and the transitions are very smooth. The way the screen changes when you click and drag is really cool, and I also love the way that you can come down to the bottom of the screen here and define one of your deals as lost, won, move or convert them. It's really, really clever interaction design. The thing that Pipedrive have done with the menu on the left hand side is that they've minimized it to be as small as it can possibly be in order to enable as much space for the Kanban as possible. And for this reason, they've kept their menu pretty simple and logical, easy to use too. So you just have icons, and you get the tooltips when you hover over them. In a lot of SaaS, when you see menus like this, you get the option to expand and minimize it. But Pipedrive don't bother with that because it's easy and intuitive enough to use without doing that. When you want to look at more, you've got the options to have this kind of fly out window with sub menu items. So it's a really neat way to keep the menu simple and then provide more options as and when they're needed.